Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your legs wobble just a bit? Or reached for something and noticed your arms weren't as strong as they used to be? You're not alone. After the age of 60, muscle loss, what we call sarcopenia, becomes a silent, creeping challenge for millions of older adults. In fact, we start losing up to 1% of our muscle mass a year after 50, and by the time we reach our 70s or 80s, it becomes much harder to stay strong and independent. But what if I told you there's one simple daily habit you can start today that may help restore your muscle strength, improve your balance, and make you feel more like you're 40 again? No expensive gym memberships, no complicated routines, just a small change that can lead to powerful results. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that habit is, how to do it safely, what common foods you should avoid that secretly make muscle loss even worse. Let's first understand the real reasons for decline in older adults. Yes, age is a factor, but it's not just the number on your birthday cake. What really speeds up muscle loss is inactivity, poor protein intake, inflammation, and even certain medications that can deplete nutrients critical for muscle function. For example, did you know seniors aren't getting enough leucine, an amino acid that's key to muscle building, or that long-term use of certain acid reflux or blood pressure medications may reduce your ability to absorb essential magnesium and vitamin D? And here's something shocking. Eating too many refined carbs like white bread, cookies, and sugary snacks can trigger chronic inflammation, which actually weakens muscle fibers over time. What's the solution? It starts with this one daily habit, and it's than you might think. The one daily habit that rebuilds strength naturally. This habit is what I call a 10-minute daily wake-up walk with resistance. That's it, just 10 minutes every morning. But here's the secret. You're going to combine gentle walking with light resistance movements using either light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even just your own body weight. Why in the morning? Because morning movement is shown to activate muscle protein synthesis, especially when paired with a protein-rich breakfast. It helps wake up your nervous system, increase blood flow to your muscles, and improve coordination throughout the day. Real-life tip number 1. Keep a small set of resistance bands or light weights near your kitchen or living room. As you walk around your home for 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, add simple bicep curls, leg lifts, or wall push-ups. It doesn't have to be perfect, just consistent. So don't go anywhere. Stick with me. Your stronger, more confident body is just getting started. Now that you understand the importance of movement and resistance, let's break down exactly how to build this habit into your life, step by step. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a personal trainer. All you need is your body, a little space, and a willingness for yourself. Just 10 minutes each morning. Let's go through the Wake-up walk with resistance routine. Step 1. 3-minute gentle walk around the house. Start with 3 minutes of light walking, around your living room, kitchen, or even in place. Focus on upright, chest lifted, shoulders relaxed. This simple movement gets your blood circulating and warms up your joints. It also helps wake up your mind and boosts morning energy levels. Step 2. 3 minutes of light resistance movements. Now, add in resistance. You can use light dumbbells, soup cans, or resistance bands. Choose 3 exercises and do 1 minute each. 1. Seated or standing bicep curls to strengthen your arms. 2. Leg lifts or mini squats using a chair to activate thigh and glute muscles. 3. Wall push-ups, great for chest, shoulders, and arms. Senior tip number 2. If you feel unsteady, do these movements while holding onto a sturdy surface, like the back of a chair or kitchen counter. Step 3. 3-4 minutes of stretch. Deep breath. Finish your routine with gentle stretches. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Roll your shoulders. Stretch your legs one at a time. Now, 3 slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. This helps calm your nervous system and improves oxygen flow to your muscles. That's it. 10 minutes total. So simple. So powerful. And when you do this daily, you'll start noticing improved leg strength, balance, less stiffness in the morning, and even fewer nighttime leg cramps. Now let's talk about something important: what you eat. Because movement alone isn't enough. If you're feeding your body the wrong foods, you're sabotaging your progress without even knowing it. Let's look at 3 foods you should avoid, and 3 you should embrace to restore strength and reduce inflammation. Food number 1. To avoid processed meats. Things like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are high in sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that increase inflammation in the muscles and joints. They may also interfere with insulin sensitivity, which is important for your muscles to absorb nutrients properly. Eat this instead. Caught fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle breakdown and promote joint flexibility. Even just 2 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. Food number 2, to avoid. White bread and sugary snacks. These spike your blood sugar quickly and trigger inflammatory responses in the body, weakening muscle tissue over time. Eat this instead. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, or barley. They release energy slowly, support muscle recovery, and are loaded with magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle contractions. Number 3, to avoid. Diet sodas. Even though they're calorie-free, many diet sodas contain artificial sweeteners that can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to fatigue, poor nutrient absorption, and muscle loss. Drink this instead. Water with a slice of lemon or herbal tea. Staying hydrated is one of the most underrated ways to keep your muscles strong. Even mild dehydration can lead to cramps, weakness, and slow recovery. So there you have it, just one daily habit that can help restore your muscle strength, improve your balance, and give you more energy to enjoy the life you love. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your health. Your body responds to consistency, kindness, and care, no matter your age. So tomorrow morning, start with those 10 minutes. Feed your muscles what they truly need. And believe, truly believe, that strength, ability, and vitality are within reach. You've come this far. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and confident every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend or loved one, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly videos on senior health and wellness. Let us know in the comments, what small habit has helped you feel stronger this year? We'd love to hear your story, because your journey can inspire someone else. Until next time, take care of your body, be gentle with yourself, and remember, your best years can still be strong years.